And this is my brother MB.
Hi.
And today we're going to spread a little love.
Yuck. I'm not kissing anybody.
You don't have to. We're going to make a love work.
A love work? What is that?
It's like a firework, but it lights up the world with love.
You can't be serious.
Oh, but I am. First, you get loads of lovely glitter and pour it into a used water carrier.
You are serious, aren't you?
Yep. Then you get loads of cherry cola and chewy candy, pink of course, and mix it all up with lots of love.
This is never gonna work. Huh?
Add some feathers, old streamers, and a little bit more love.
Huh?
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Now what?
Patience, MB. Patience. Stand back! Wow! Well?
I suppose it kind of worked.